So, hello guys, this is Fika Zima and kagising lang namin. 12:00 na ng tanghali dito. Tapos, tumawag yung asawa ko, mag-prepare na daw kami at aalis kami. Yes, pupunta ko, nagmuta pa ako. Pupunta daw kami ngayon sa market para maghanap ng balon sa kanya kasi ngayon ay 100 na, 100 years, no, 100 days na si baby. So, actually hindi ko 'to ginagawa sa mga anak ko, pero ngayon lang kasi first time sa mga anak ko na pagka after kong manganak, nagkasakit kaagad siya. So, inabot kami ng 2 weeks sa hospital and then yun yung ang hirap ng pagtitiis namin sa hospital. 2 weeks kaming dalawa lang ni baby. So, ngayong 100 days na siya, masaya ako kasi healthy na siya and I hope tuloy-tuloy ang pagiging healthy niya. Kasi sa lahat ng mga anak ko, siya lang talaga nagkasakit after lumabas sa tiyan ko. So, samahan niyo kami na mamili at saka samahan niyo kami mamili ng mga gulay kaya na-miss ko na kumain ng gulay at sabaw. So, sabi ko kay husband, mamili kami ng gulay kasi gusto kong magsinigang. Pero ang halo ko may talong. So, tingnan natin. Ang sinigang ko ay, sinigangin ko pala, ay manok. Manok, ganun. Basta manok lang. Tapos, bahala na. Tingnan natin yung ibang may ahalo natin mamaya. So, see you.
She packed her bags at 23, chased a dream across the sea, left behind the sun and sand for a world she didn't understand. New faces, foreign skies, lonely days and tearful nights, but she held on through the storm for a life she hoped was more. Far from home, but close to fate, she found a love she didn't anticipate. Through every tear and broken plan, he took her hand, said he...
Paglalakbay papuntang market. And here my boys. So, papadidi muna tayo para pagpasok natin sa market, hindi siya ganong gutom. Kaya lang parang yung gatas ko ngayon unti na lang, gawa na hindi ako gaano kumakain ng 2 araw. So, bali pangatlong araw ko na ngayon, medyo okay-okay na pero masakit pa rin ang ulo ko. Pero syempre, gala is life. Ooh. So, ayan, malapit na kami sa Vivo. Maalog tayo mga langga. So, sa Ocean, doon kami mamimili. Pero bago yan, kakain muna kami, pares kaming gutom. At gutom ako. So, makikita yung sign. Nakikita yung sign. Dito kami ngayon sa parking area sa baba ng Vivo. Kasi maulan. Bali 3 days na ngayon maulan. Kaya yung sinampay ko sa labas, hinayaan ko na. Bahala ng langit magpatuyo. So, we are here. Underground. So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Vivo. Ngayon, kakain muna kami ay nagugutom na. So, what can you say? This is our second time visiting in this place. I miss it. Can we go eat first?
Yes, because I'm crazy hungry.
Yeah. The same. I wanna drink soup. And look at that. Here we go. Then, so, kung makikita nyo, ito yung mga paninda. Pero guys, sasabihin ko sa inyo, yung mga damit nila dito na mahal masyado, affordable sa Pilipinas, Divisoria. Yung mga style. At saka yung nila, yung kanilang textures ng damit. Kaya sa budget natin sa pang Divisoria. Para sa akin ha, pero itong H&M maganda rin dito. Pero hindi ko makikita yung alam mo yung fit talaga na gusto ko. Charis, mapili, masyadong picky. So, here.
Pupunta kami ngayon sa Maritimo kasi yung mga pagkain nilang doon, mura lang. Ayan, ganda ng mga damit nila. Mura lang yung mga pagkain nila. So, ngayon ay bibili kami ng aming ego-grocery for 4 liter. Mag-grocery kami sa 100 days ni baby. Tapos kulay ko. So, dito kami kakain, guys. Are we gonna eat here? Nagsawa na siguro siya sa Maritimo na na restaurant. Restaurant kasi sa kabila yun eh. So, bali, dito kami. Maghanap tayo ng mga pagkain heavy food for me.
behind the sun and sea.
So, we have this.
She didn't understand. Faces falling skies, lonely days and tearful nights. But she held on to the storm for a life.
What is this? I forgot.
Romani.
This is mamaliga, the corn rice. Well, corn rice.
Anticipate
Corn rice sa atin mga langga.
and broken plan. He took her.
You want to check anything else?
They built a world from stars, pieced together behind the scenes.
So, yun siya, guys. Bumili siya sa KFC ng, hindi ko makita, likod lang. Ayun, naka-stripe.
People walls and questions asked, fighting shadows from the past. Language barriers whispered down. She almost let the light burn.
Piling ko tuloy kaliwiti yung anak ko.
Saw her break
Puro kaliwa yung ginagalaw, ginagamit pang galaw-galaw. Guys,
love alive. They danced to feel
ganito pala guys pag vlog direct sa labas. Kasi nakakahiya, lalo pag first time. First.
far from home, but
So, ang palagi kong pinakain sa labas, ano lang, kung mga ganito lang,
didn't anticipate
ano lang siya, pins
broken plans.
na malambot, tapos patatan.
They built a world from scattered dreams.
Tapos ang isang tagal pang bumalik, gawa ng, hindi niya mahanap. Kaya kung nakikita niyo, ayan,
But they stood
namimili pa siya ng pagkain.
in the end. Love conquered all.
Tapos umiyak na yung bata. So ngayon, dalawa na kami dito. Ang tagal mamili ng isa. Malapit na maubos ng pagkain ko. Wala pa siya. Hindi pa siya tapos mamili. Finally, he's here. And look at that. What he bought is from KFC. He bought from KFC.
Paid the price. She
Cheater. Kahit kailan, cheater talaga.
stepped she made. A flame that
Fries.
won't fade.
Fries with the other one.
Chicken.
This is
This is cheese.
cheese. And chicken.
Unsure and
Do you have fries with it?
found everything after all.
So he bought a Pepsi. Pepsi is a different price too. And what else? The other one is a shake.
And sure and small,
Can we have a straw?
she found everything after all.
Sure.
She laughed.
Thank you so much. 3 months old, naghahatak. So, tapos na kami kumain ngayon, pero hindi ko naubos yung pagkain ko gawa ng wala pa kong gana kumain kasi bali pa ng araw ko lang ang wala na kasi So, isili ni Sawa, tumatukak na hari. Pupunta raw siya sa trabaho, pero sabi ko kung pwede wag na kasi magpipiging pictures ka.
Who are you there?
Magpipiging pictures ka. Wala na, nakabaliw na ng busog sa KFC. Tapos sabi ko gano'n ka pictures na ngayon ko lang ito gagawin sa lahat.
He's lying. He's lying. He's not lying.
Nakatara na nga, magkatin na tayo. Let's go. Let's go shopping.
You see, guys? She loves to shop. Shopping. She loves shopping. Making shop. Shop.
We didn't go shopping a lot.
So, please tell me. I am asking help from Philippines.
It's just now.
Help, guys, please. Tell me.
Did you hear guys? What is he saying? Tell me. Let's go.
Salamat po.
You're welcome.
She packed her bags at 23, chased a dream across the sea, left behind the sun and sand for a world she didn't understand. New faces, foreign skies, lonely days and tearful nights, but she held on through the storm
Let's go.
for a life she hoped was more. Far from home, but close to fate, she found a love she didn't anticipate.
The water is not
Through
here.
every tear and broken plan, he took her hand, said, "Here I am." They built a world from scattered dreams, pieced together in quiet scenes. It wasn't easy, but they stood tall, and in the end, love conquered all. Paper walls and questions asked, fighting shadows from the past. Language barriers, whispered doubt. She almost let the light burn out, but he saw her, brave and kind. In
Look, Chef,
every
look.
silence
Now here
of
they have
life,
fuses,
they danced
and they are
through
72.
fear and uncertainty.
And the number that
He
they,
said,
and
"You're
those ones
home
were
as
58,
long as
and
you're
they are
with
50.
me." Far from home, but close to fate, she found a love she didn't anticipate. Through every tear and broken plan, he took her hand, said, "Here I am." They built a world from scattered dreams, pieced together in quiet scenes. It wasn't easy, but they stood tall, and in the end, love conquered all. Now she laughs in a foreign tongue, but once she felt she didn't belong.
It says 18 months.
The story carved in memories light, proof that hearts can win the fight. Far from home, but never lost, she paid the price, she knew the cost. But love was worth each step she made, a flame that time and fear won't fade. They built a world where dreams don't fall, and in the end, love
really?
conquered all. She came alone, unsure and small, but she found everything after all.
Hey.
Now she laughs, unsure and small, but she found everything after all. And now she laughs and love her all. I've conquered all.
9.
139. So, I asked. Dumating na kami guys. Ngayon, yung space namin kasi medyo maliit. Kaya ang gagawin ko na lang is ganito. Ano mo, nasira. And, I never use makeup. I never use makeup. Noisy. Naglalaro ng balloon. How much did you pay? 88? So, nasa ano to siya mga langga? Mga nasa 900 pesos. 900 pesos, tapos 60 pieces. Ewan ko kung magkano dyan sa Pinas. Dollar kasi dito eh. Para kasi alam nyo yung price. Tapos dito, 7 lei, toothbrush. Sa atin, mga nasa 80 lei, syempre.
Chased a dream across the sea.
So,
Left behind
hindi siya 60 mga langga.
the sand.
Yung anak niya ng puto.
Road she
Hindi
didn't
bahuan.
understand. New faces, foreign skies, lonely days and tearful nights. But she held on through the storm, for a life she hoped was more. Far from home, but close to fate, she found a love she didn't anticipate. Through every tear and broken plan, he took her hand, said, "Here I am." They built
Hi, finally guys, natapos din namin ang picture taking. Simple lang naman, hindi naman gaano ka karangya. Diyos me, balon lang, ganito lang, 3 balon, di ba? Kita niyo, bongga yung pandikit. So, ganito lang yung ano namin, kunting picture lang. So, mayroon siyang camera na gamit. Ang problema naman sa kanyang camera, low bat. So, ayan. Ngayon, hindi namin nagamit. So, nagtyaga kami sa cellphone. So, at least, okay na. Natapos na namin. And salamat ulit mga langga sa panunood at pagsubaybay ng aking maliit na bahay dito sa YouTube. So kung nagtataka kayo bakit hindi ako nagpo-post sa Facebook, actually parang kinakareer ko talaga yung YouTube kaysa sa Facebook. So pasensya na mga langga, pasensya talaga. So salamat sa inyong lahat at sa suporta nyo, sa pag-subscribe at sana marami pa po mag-subscribe. And thank you sa lahat. Wala akong masabi, basta thank you kasi mag 500 subscriber na tayo. And to all my Romanian followers and other countries followers, subscriber and YouTube, thank you so much guys, and I will try sometimes to speak English so that you can able to understand too sometimes. We will try our best. Peace. So yeah, that's it, and thank you guys.